This has been a
See
bit
when?
conservative, like it's not very good.
Let's take this photo of that, like. Yeah, jump there because that's the gap bed.
Yeah.
This bit here.
Yeah, see. Okay. Thanks, Alex.
I mean, see, in terms of wear and tear, this is probably a really good deal, isn't it, like? This particular, because it's only we've been using our college
Aye.